Good morning, y'all. You see your boy looking pretty rough right now. But man, I just want to give y'all an update on the Ultracool, baby. You see that? That boy is in there. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you, if you follow JJ's instructions from Ultracool, it's not gonna be a problem putting this in. I just want to come over here and show y'all that your boy is out here working, getting it in. I mean, y'all, this thing is sturdy in here too. I mean, and it's gonna look professional. See, I don't have my my light in right now for custom dynamic. When I put that in, everything should look okay. You're gonna need your drill, your bits. You're gonna need two of these. These hacksaw blades. So you're gonna do some cutting on the inside, but the outside you don't have to touch. But yeah, it's in there. I just gotta put it back together, put it on the bike. And I got I got everything. It was easy, y'all. I thought it was gonna be hard, but y'all, don't be scared to work on your own bike. Don't be scared to do it. I mean, that boy is in there, and we're gonna keep this 128 cool, and we're gonna go from there. Hey, and I'm also gonna link BigHerk80, my dude BigHerk80, Traveling Tall's cousin. I'm gonna link his video too, cause he did the other style where you cut the side out. So that will help you too if you doing it like that. But I went with the new one because I didn't want to cut all this out right here. But he did his before this actually came out. So man, till next time, baby, the next grind, man, keep working, man. Wrench on your own bike if you can. You're not scared, because if you keep being scared, you're never going to wrench on it. Like I said, I put my own exhaust on it. You follow all the torque specs that you need, especially on your exhaust. You seen I just did a video on that. So make sure you check that out. But yeah, the Ultracool is coming good, and you see the name right here, baby. And I'm out here getting it in, baby. I'm gonna probably stop here in a minute because your boy got to go to church, man. But till next time, baby, the next round, y'all stay safe. And next time you see me with this, it's gonna be on the back and it's gonna be flowing. I'm out of here. Peace.